I love brewing coffee using the Aeropress coffee maker. It's very easy to use. This is how I brew my coffee in the morning using the Aeropress coffee maker. We will grind our beans using the hand grinder. This will fit you either you're a home barista or you're in a coffee shop. We're going to use Ethiopian roasted coffee bean. This is a medium roasted. We're going to weigh our 15 grams of coffee beans. This is just a simple recipe that you can brew your morning coffee using the Aeropress coffee maker. Then since we are making our Aeropress, we're going to grind our coffee beans on a medium fine grind size. To grind our coffee beans. So it's done grinding. The method we're going to use the normal one, where we're going to just need a glass or any other cup that you can have. Fit in our paper filter into our Aeropress cup, then fit it on top. Then we'll pour in our blended coffee beans. You have to ensure your coffee beans are a bit fine, so you go for the medium fine grind size. Then our water will boil it on a slightly lower temperature. I will go with an 88 or 87 degree temperature since it's a medium roasted coffee. Then we'll just pour in all our 210 ml of water into our coffee. We should ensure at 40 seconds you're done with pouring. 40 seconds, I'll stir for 20 seconds to make 1 minute. You give it a slow stir so that you can make sure all the grains are mixed. I love brewing with the Aeropress because it's not that complicated and it gives a really perfect taste of coffee as long as you're grinding your coffee beans fresh. So I'll let it sit until 2 minutes. At 2 minutes, we'll start pressing our coffee. This is an Ethiopian coffee, so you should expect a fruity coffee. It has the flavors of the mango, strawberry, and it has that sweet finish that you will have at the end of the coffee. So most of the times, if I'm taking black coffee, especially the Aeropress, since it's my best option for my morning coffee, I always go in for the fruity coffees. I always like the Ethiopia, Colombia, or Uganda, or generally African origin coffees. I really like them because of the fruitiness. So at 2 minutes, I'll start pressing down gently until 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You should be done with the pressing. So at 2 minutes and a half, we're done. We have our coffee ready. This is what you need for your morning coffee. If you find this coffee a bit strong, you can add in more water. So I'll show you how to clean the Aeropress. You just remove the lid, throw the grinds, then rinse it with water. It's very simple. This is why I love it. Very easy. It's already clean. You separate it so that you remove the water and it's ready. I wanted to share with you my experience, how I make my Aeropress coffee in the morning. You can check out my video on how you can brew an Aeropress coffee maker as a beginner. It's a full guide and tutorial explaining the basics that you need to know whenever you're brewing an Aeropress coffee maker.